Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. This is a very fancy little circle here, and it translates to something not very nice in circles. Yippee, let's go. But beautiful profanity is a wonderful thing about using secret languages. So you'll figure out what this says as I read through it. And I did a couple of fun little stylistic things with it, like squishing our little consonants and our little vowels. And I also broke apart and unraveled our word circle. So this little start marker tells you to start reading here, and then we'll hit our first letter at the bottom here. And this first letter is a horseshoe shape, so we're in the top row with 1, 2, 3 lines on it, so that's an F. And then a U comes out of the bottom with a little line here. So see a little vowel, little vowel? This little vowel has a line going out, and so does that one. These are both U's. So we have an F and then a U. Continuing around, we have this little circle floating inside our word circle, and there are 1, 2, 3 dots over here, plus a fourth little dot over here. So that 4-dot little letter is a C, and then we have this 2-dot letter, which is a K. So I'm pretty sure you can figure out what this word is by now. Yippee. And then we have a Y, a crossing circle with 2 dots, and we're missing the O, which is why I do my spell checks. There, now it's got an O. Because sometimes I don't notice a letter is missing until I read it out loud and notice that there is none of that letter. And yeah, it's important to have all of the letters in the words for them to be spelled right. That's how spelling works. Yay! Insert kindergarten cheering noises here. Yay! Okay, now it says Y-O-U. Okay. Because we have a vowel there for the O and then the U vowel. Yippee! Okay, cool. Sweet. Lovely phrase. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.